Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Olakunle Yinka, alias ATMHUB. So today we'll be talking about how to download our app, ATMHUB app, and how you can actually fund your wallet and make transaction on the website. So if you have Google Chrome on your phone, go to Google Chrome, or if you have other browser, open it and type www.atmhubs.com www.atmhubs.com. Press enter and wait for the website to load. So this is how the website looks like. This is the original website. Click on login or sign up. So it will take you to this login page. Look down and you will see where there is arrow. Click on it, download app. It will bring up the app. So just click on install. Click on install. The app has been downloaded successfully. You can check it up from your phone. Check it up. As you can see now, the app has been installed successfully. Now, for those using iPhone, we don't have app for iPhone for now. So what do? You can easily add it to your home page. If you want to do that, go to your Chrome, type www.atmhubs.com. If you load up, click on the three dots at the right top corner. Click it. That's menu. Click on the menu, and then after clicking on the menu, look for add to browser, add to home page. Look for add to home screen. So click on it. It will bring out an option on how to do that. As you can see, just follow this video. Click on create shortcut. Click on create shortcut. If it asks you for the name, type the name Atmhubdata. Type the name, and also just follow the instruction of this video for you to be able to do it. Follow the instruction of this video. Make sure you don't miss anything. So click on add. Click on add. You can see it has been added successfully. Now let's close this and look for what we have done. Let's look for the shortcut icon on our browser, on our home page rather. So this is the shortcut. As you can see, HTML/Chrome. So from this now, you can easily go to ATMHUB and log in and fund your data, your airtime, and your electricity. So now, this is how you can download our app, and this is how you can add the website to your home screen. So let's close all this app and now go back to our main app. So this is our app now. We want to log in. You remember that we have registered before in our first video with testing 1, 2, 3. Now we have to log in there now to know how we can actually fund our data. So to fund our website now, click on fund. We actually have two types of funding. We have automatic funding, and we also have what's the name now? Manual funding. So for the manual funding, click on manual funding. You can see switch to manual. Click on it. It will bring out the account number of the admin. These three account number of the admin. We have MoneyPoint, we have PalmPay, we have Jais. So you can easily pay to any of these accounts and send to admin for funding. To get the number of the admin, we see chat us on WhatsApp or join our WhatsApp group. So just click on any of them. So as you can see, this is the sample of it. So click on chat admin. Follow this right up, or just follow this right up now. So please fund my wallet. Please fund my wallet. My username is, mention your username, and then attach the receipt of your payment. Make sure you attach the receipt. Don't worry, the admin will reply to you, check for your payment, and fund your wallet immediately. But know that this thing may take some time, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depends on if the admin is online. So to make it easier, you can easily go for automated funding. And how do we do that? We have to go back to our funding, select automated funding. Then you will need your either NIN or BVN to generate account. You need either BVN or national identity number to generate account. So just pick either BVN or NIN. Pick any one of it. Click on numbers, then input your BVN and click on update. Just follow this video to get what I'm saying. Click on update. If it generated 4 or 3 account number for you, don't worry, those account number are yours. They are account number created for you on this particular website. So anytime you want to send money to it, if you bring your name, bring out the website name and your name. As you can see, they bring out the website name and your name. So let's assume I want to fund my wallet now. Let me copy my BVN and do it. As you can see now, account has been generated for me successfully. So what do I do now? Let me close it and refresh the website. As you can see, 4 accounts have been generated for me successfully. Let me just copy any one out of it and make payment. So let me use Money Point. You can copy any one of it. For me, I prefer Money Point. So I will copy Money Point now. Then go to my bank account and make payment. So actually, I want to purchase a data of 265 naira, which is 1 gig, MTN 1 gig. So let me send 270 because of charges. I'll send 270. So go to your browser, your bank account, input the account number and look for the bank. Money Point. Alright, so as you can see now, it will bring out the name of the website, ATMHUB/Ola. My name is Olakunle Yinka, if you remember, /Ola. So confirm. Let me make the payment now. 270. I will make the payment now, 270, and then it will reflect automatically on the website. Farm payments. Good. So the payments have been sent successfully. Now let's go back to the website and confirm if the money has entered. As you can see, it's still 00 now. So what will happen is that we will refresh the website. Now we have to refresh the website, and the money has entered successfully. So 267 naira. So from here now, I can go and find whatever I want to find on the website, either data, airtime, cable, power, pin. I can even save on the website. Now guys, we have successfully downloaded ATMHUB app today, and we have learned how to fund our account. Now we have successfully funded our account with 270 naira. So now you can go ahead and buy whatever you want to buy from the website. That one I will teach you on the next video. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this particular channel so that anytime a video is dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you once again. See you next class.